Oh, look, it's a miniature turtle.
Jump on it.
Hi. Did you say hi?
Hi. What?
That's a bird.
Oh, he's waving.
He waves? He waves? He waves? Does he play peekaboo? He play peekaboo?
Mommy?
Look at him. He's playing peekaboo.
Mommy?
Hi.
Aren't you a pretty birdie? Aren't you a pretty birdie?
Oh, what's he doing, baby?
Is that a bird?
Hi.
Say hi.
Huh?
He's so funny. Look at him. So funny. Hi.
Hi. Hi.
He's so excited. He's just what Ty does. It's Ty in a bird. Oh, look at how pretty.
Is that a bird? Is that a pretty bird? Oh yeah, you see the other bird? What about this bird? Say hi.
Be nice. Hi. Okay. These are cute.
I just want something for things.
I know. Please. That pink one is pretty. Oh, he just wants someone to love.
Hi, puppy.
Hello. Hello. Hello, you're a sweetheart.
Come on, baby. Look.
Oh, look at this one. Hello, puppies. Hello, puppies. Oh, you're soft and pretty.
Good puppy. That's a big puppy. That's gonna be a big puppy. That's gonna be a big puppy. Oh, that's gonna be a big puppy.
Oh, I like this puppy.
What's that, a puppy?
She's play.
What's a play?
Oh, look at baby. Yeah. Hi, what are these? Is that kitty?
Is that kitty?
Hello, bald kitties. You're so cute. You are so cute, bald kitties. Okay, let me touch him. Oh, he's creepy. I don't like him. Oh my gosh, no. I'm good, thanks. Did Ty touch him? Okay. Are we going to do the thing or no?
They said they're sleeping. They can't wake them up.
Oh, okay.
And they're sleeping.
Did you get the kitties to play with you? Say, play with me, kitty.
Ricky cat.
Pictures to that one.
He's so cute. Look.
They look like a rat.
Is he cute? Don't hit the kitty. Can you play with the kitty though? Can you play with the kitty?
He's a Kit Kat.
Is that Kit Kat?
Kit Kat.
Be nice to the Kit Kat. Be nice to the Kit Kat.
No.
Can you play with the toy? Ready? Oh, he's moving the stuff. It's in my way.
Get this crap out of the way.
He must have hit something there.
Or he's looking for something. Oh yeah. Scratch the butt.
He seriously did.
Huh?
Aww.
Huh?
Is that a baby monkey?